How to create a new disk partition on Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how you can easily create a new disk partition on your Windows laptop. So the first thing you want to do is open up your disk management. You can do that by going over to the search bar and search for run, or alternatively, you could just go ahead and press Windows plus R key to open up the run dialog box. Once you have it open, you can click on the search icon and then search for disk mgmt.msc. It's going to directly open up the disk management. Now here, as you can see, I've got only one disk, which is my main SSD. Now, if you want to create a new partition, you're going to have to take a chunk out of your latest volume. You cannot do it on the C drive because right next to it is D drive, so the serial number is not going to work like that. So you basically have to have some space left on the latest or the drive that's at the end of your line. So I'm just going to take a bit of chunk out of this drive to create a new partition. All you have to do is basically right click on it, and then from here you can go to shrink volume. Now you could just go ahead and shrink volume here. If I try to do this on C drive, it's not going to work because I'm only able to shrink only certain chunk of it. But if you do it on D drive, it's more efficient. So let me just show you guys again. What you basically have to do is click on shrink volume. And then this pop-up is going to come up on your screen. Now all you have to do is just select how much you want to separate. Let's say if I want 4 gigabytes of separate partition, I can just do 4,000 megabytes, but it's not going to be exactly 4 gigabytes. It's going to be 3 point something. As you can see, it's 3.91, so you're going to have to compensate for the loss. Make sure you enter the correct amount. Once you have done that, you can either create a new simple volume with it or just leave it as it is, and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next video.